Now I'm going to scan this 32 years old male with the history of dull abdominal pain. That is the only history available. No lab profile is available. No other imaging modality facility is provided. So I'm going to start from here, from the subcostal region, and then as I will move down, you will see a bowel-related mass in this region, extending from the right hypochondrium down up to this region, paraumbilical region, or even you can say that it extends into the right lower abdominal quadrant. In this region, we will see para-aortic lymph nodes as well. So let's move on with the study. Now I've placed the probe where I was seeing you, and you are seeing the lower pole of the kidney and the iliopsoas muscle together. This is the, now here you see this is the right kidney, and this is the lower pole of the right kidney. This is the psoas muscle, iliopsoas muscle, and from here you will see the mass extending down. Now I'm going to move down here. Lower pole. बाजी जरा चुप करे आज. उन्हें क्या बोला? मैं बंद करूँ. Now this is the upper margin of this bowel mass. This is the lower pole of the right kidney. This is the mass. This is bowel-related mass. This is the wall of the bowel, and the bowel wall you can see is regular. It's not irregular, and it measures approximately 5 mm. More than 5 is considered to be more pathological. Or now, as I'm moving down, you see here, this is this is the lower. Now I am at the lower end of this bowel-related mass, and you can see that there are trapped within the lumen of this bowel segment. This is the gas shadow, trapped gas or air, and this is the food material within this bowel segment. Now, one another interesting thing is, this is the target sign. You can see echogenic center with hypoechoic rim, and here the wall measures approximately 4.9, and this is called the target sign of bowel disease. This one, echogenic center, periphery is hypoechoic, so this is typical of making it longitudinal. This is the view of the bowel-related mass. Vascularity can be seen within the lumen of the within the wall. Hypovascular. See, this is the bowel, and this is the wall, and the wall shows hypervascularity throughout. Not only this, we see, as I go to the epigastric region and scan from this region, you will see that this is the pancreas, and this is the pancreas here. This is the pancreas. These are all lymph nodes. These are renal lymph nodes. One of them is here. Similarly, there are a bunch of lymph nodes seen in the right paravertebral location as I will go down. here. These are a few lymph nodes that I can show you. This one, this one. Sorry for the noise of the generator, but then the area where we are living, we have to survive in this way. Now you see these are two lymph nodes that I am going to show you with Doppler. Two lymph nodes, 1, 2, 3. So these are all lymph nodes. Well demarcated, hypoechoic, grounded areas. So this is the bowel mass. Now again showing you bowel mass. See the vascularity of this wall. The target sign. This is our case of the day. Thank you very much.